These planter boxes took about 2 hours to make a piece, and they're really fun. We enjoyed making them. They have oak tops. The client have requested us to make them out of oak instead of the pressure treated wood. We don't believe pressure treated wood to be harmful to, terribly harmful to the environment or any kind of planter boxes or gardens or anything, but out of respect for the customer and their request, we made the rails out of oak. Here I'm going through and putting down the what this thing's called, the tensioners in between. They're the bolts that you see sticking out right there. So you'll see me putting those in here in a little bit. There's Mario screwing on the braces. So we made these and then separated them into L formations clearly, so that it'll make it easier for transportation and easier to offload. And staring down there, putting in the screws on the end while I hold it, trying to get the best shot I can. So here you see me putting in the tensioner. I just hurt my finger, man. It made a little blood blister. So I'm putting these in, and those are 3/8 threaded machine rod, galvanized. Galvanized is for outdoors stuff, because if you don't get galvanized, then it'll rust. I'm pushing it through to the other side. I'm putting in the washer and then the bolt. I'm sorry, the nut. And then I'll push that side in. And that'll give me just enough. So, I see me pushing it in right there just enough so that you won't hit your leg on it or anything. Doing the same thing on the other side. I could find these in 6-foot rods, which is what these are. All we needed was 4-foot rods, and we still needed to cut that back. And just hand tighten it down, because once you put the dirt in, the dirt is going to push against those sides, and those tensioners are going to hold it. Just there and cutting on those rods, getting them sized down exactly how we need them. So we're not doing any guesswork, just install them right on site. Here's the planter boxes in their semi-final positions, just getting a shot before we get the final right here. And you can see some dirt around the bottoms where we leveled them out for the customer. And it worked out great.